Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Time for another bargains, eats, and treats. And this time we're looking at Jasper Gift Baskets and Popcorn Company's old-fashioned, home-style canning corn cob jelly. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, one about survival on a budget made easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the corn cob jelly. I never even heard of corn cob jelly before, and people that I talked to never heard of it before. But it's 25 calories per tablespoon, and calories from fat is 0. Ingredients: corn cob juice. I didn't even know corn cobs had juice. Water, cane sugar, some kind of acid, and red number 40 and blue number 1. Refrigerate after opening. Doesn't have much of a smell to it. It almost reminds me of like apple jelly. If you get it, apple jelly a little warm, it kind of gets a little bit runny. Let's go ahead. First thing we're gonna do, let's find a cracker that ain't broke. Put some on a cracker. It really doesn't have much of a taste to it. Try it again. The only thing I'm really tasting is a mild sugar taste. Let's try it without the cracker. I mean, you can see how runny it is. I don't know if you put it in the fridge if it'll chill up again or not. I gotta say, I ain't gonna say it's bad, but it's nothing spectacular. It's rather plain. See, this is one of those times I never had it before, so I don't know really how to judge if it's a good corn cob jelly or not. Oh, it's $5 for a little jar of jelly, but it has a real sweet aftertaste to it. Like I said, it's not bad, but it's not good. So with that said, I'm going to say a 3, because like I said, I don't know how, this is going to be my own personal taste. I don't have nothing to compare it to. It's nothing spectacular, it's nothing bad. It's just there, I guess. So a 3 out of 5 for a taste. The price for what you get, I think it's a bit high. I really do. I must say $3.50, $4. It's basically a novelty item in my book. So price wise, being a little high, I'll say I have to get it on price at 2, because 3 would be an average price. 2, a little bit high. So that's 5 divided by 2. Looking at 2.5 stars. I mean, if you just want to try it, just for the novelty of it, try it. I wouldn't go out of my way to try it. But yeah, 2.5 out of 5. Okay, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.